Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of photo enhancement with a powerful tool called Let's Enhance. Let's Enhance leverages artificial intelligence to take your grainy, pixelated photos and breathe new life into them. Imagine transforming a blurry old photo into a crisp, high-definition masterpiece. That's the magic of Let's Enhance. But it doesn't stop there. Let's Enhance can also tackle common photo woes like discoloration, noise, and artifacts. Ever seen those annoying blocky squares in compressed JPEGs? Let's Enhance can banish them, leaving you with a clean, polished image. The secret behind Let's Enhance is its sophisticated AI engine. Trained on a massive dataset of images, this AI can analyze your photo and add missing details, like having a team of skilled photo editors working on your image in seconds. Let's Enhance even lets you get creative with AI-generated art. Describe an image in words, and the AI will bring your vision to life in stunning high resolution. Getting started is easy. There's no software to download, simply head over to the Let's Enhance website, upload your photo, and let the AI work its wonders. They even offer a free trial to test the waters before you commit. Whether you're a professional photographer, a social media enthusiast, or just someone who wants to preserve precious memories, Let's Enhance can help you elevate your photos. So, why not give it a try and see what hidden gems you can uncover in your photo library? You might be surprised at the results. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to Let's Enhance. Let us know in the comments what kind of AI-powered tool you'd like to see us explore next.